Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Cozy Corner of Vignette. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More and Tablescapes by Candy. Their guest host this week is Antoinette Decorating. They also have several co-hosts. Antoinette is their guest host. Their co-hosts are myself, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Z9 Designs, Sassoon Glam Style Living, Pretty DIYs, Creations by Simone, Debbie Bubbles, and Annalise Cupboard. Now I'll show you what I've come up with for Cozy Corner of Vignette. I decided to do 2 vignettes. I wanted to do one in my signature colors, which is the black and white, and then I wanted to do another one in the fall colors, which are the yellows, oranges, and browns, just to give you a look at both. Okay, so for the first one, I'll show you what I put together for this vignette. And now I'll tell you a little bit about this one. The black tray was from Burlington. The 2 tea lights here were from Thrifted. The beautiful bowl here, I've had it a long time. I truly forgot where I purchased it, but I have had it a while. The pumpkins and acorns you see inside are from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. The pineapple vase here is from Goodwill, and the beautiful little teapot here is from the Goodwill. So this is a very budget-friendly vignette, and I hope I've given you some ideas on putting together your vignette for the fall season. Now we'll go to vignette number 2. And as I said, I used the colors of the oranges, the yellows, the browns to try to put together one with the true colors of fall. So this is what I come up with. The beautiful flower arrangement here was a Goodwill find. I paid $3.99, I think, for it. And I'll let you take a look around it. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about it. As I said, I purchased the flower arrangement from the Goodwill. The pot it is in is from Tuesday Morning. And the pumpkins, you see that align it, is from the Dollar Tree. And the smaller pumpkins, some are from Hobby Lobby and some are from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful ribbon here for the bow is from the Dollar Tree. The candle is from the Jonathan and Drew Property Brother collection. But this is a very simple and easy vignette that you can put together. You can set it on your kitchen countertop or even put it on your coffee table. So you can use it either way. I hope I've given you some ideas also on the fall color vignette. I will be leaving the host and the guest host information along with the co-host. So you all make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Cozy Corner, our vignette. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Again, thank you for coming along with me today, and I hope I've given you some inspiration on decorating your vignette for the fall. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.